If your skin happens to always be red, dry, or reactive, and it seems like your skincare products, no matter what you spend on them, are not working as well as they should, it really has nothing to do with your products, it's what's underneath them. And what we're talking about that's underneath is your skin barrier. And your skin barrier isn't broken, it's just starving. And it is literally the canvas to which we are applying these topical actives. And when it comes to fixing this problem, I'm sharing something brand new with you today, and it involves something you've probably never heard of before called ectoin that NASA level scientists use to protect cells from extreme environments. So let's not beat around the bush, as they say. Let's jump right in to this brand new 3-step system, and I'm going to show you what it's all about. All right, as I said, your skin barrier is the keystone to whether your skincare products are going to work well and whether your skin is going to respond to them or not. Not to mention, it protects your skin's actual health, and we don't speak enough about it because of all of those reasons. And I had been meaning to do a full video on skin barrier when a brand that I've worked with in the past, you guys may remember these guys, Ladura, they asked me to review personally their bioadaptive barrier system. There's 3 parts to this product system, and I'm going to talk about each of them. And as I said in the introduction, it includes something a lot of people have never heard of, which is a molecule that actually protects skin cells from harsh, damaging environments. And that's what your skin barrier actually is there for, to protect your skin from those harsh, dangerous environments. Now, Ladura provided this product for me, so I want to let you guys know that in advance. I didn't purchase this one, as I usually do purchase products that I review. In this case, because I've worked with Ladura in the past, I really like them as a brand. Their products are amazing. I was happy to do this. And because it's me, we're going to take a deep dive into these products, their ingredients, formulations, if you will, to figure out why they work so well and if they might be a fit for your skincare routine. So truly, if you've been someone who's been struggling with skincare products, no matter what you spend on them, just don't seem to deliver, or you have dry, irritated skin a lot of the times, very sensitive skin, reactive skin, this will be a step-by-step way to repair your skin barrier so that your products work better and you don't have those issues. Now, of course, when I'm doing my own skincare routine, hair up in the bandana to keep skincare products out of my hairline, and also starting with clean skin. So we're not going to waste time on this video watching me wash my face. My skin is clean, hydrated, and ready to go. And of course, we're going to take a really good look at my skin before we use these products, and we'll take a really close look at my skin after we use them. And most of you know, I really have good skin. I've been taking care of it for a long time. I mean, I wouldn't be worth my salt as an esthetician over the last 38 years if I wasn't doing that. So the first step in this 3-step system is this product, the Vitality Treatment Mist. Now, I know that mists can feel like a gimmick in a lot of skincare routines, just maybe spritzing water on your face with some fragrance added in and a fancy label. But this one is actually doing something different, and that has to do with its unique formulation. The base of this mist is built around something called glass skin water. That's a traditional East Asian ingredient that's derived from a grain used for centuries for its skin brightening and lightening properties. And modern research of this ingredient backs up the fact that it does even out skin texture and give that lit from within glow. They also added multi-molecular hyaluronic acid. I know that's a mouthful, but the multi-molecular part's what matters. Different molecular weights of hyaluronic acid penetrate to different levels of your skin. Smaller molecules go deeper, larger ones sit on top, and together create a moisture sealing film. This means you're getting layered hydration and not just surface hydration, which is going to really bring out the healthy glow of your skin. And then that ingredient that I mentioned in the intro, ectoin, is also included. And you will see that they include that particular skin protective molecular ingredient throughout this system in each and every product. It actually helps to rebuild your skin barrier. It acts like a stress shield, protecting your skin from environmental damage, UVB, UVA light, pollution, all those environmental triggers that help break down the skin's barrier over time. And finally, they added bioactive Panax ginseng, and ginseng does some really amazing things when it comes to your skin. Namely, it helps to increase microcirculation, meaning that your skin is brought back to life, gaining oxygen and nutrients for a more energized, revitalized complexion. All of that science said, its purpose is simple. It is to prepare your skin for the next 2 steps. Think of this like opening a door before you try to walk through it. So we're going to apply this to my skin now. Just a light spritz. Then moving into the next step, the bioadaptive serum. This is where the real repair work happens. This is the most power-packed, ingredient-dense product in the system. And honestly, the most interesting one I find from a scientific professional perspective. The main ingredient is its 5-ceramide complex. Now, ceramides are actually lipids that your skin needs. Fats, if you will, that make up 50% of your skin's barrier. When your skin barrier is compromised, your ceramide levels actually drop, leading to dryness, irritation, redness. So replenishing those ceramides topically has some true clinical backing. It is one of the most well-researched approaches to repairing your skin's barrier and increasing the lipid levels that's available in skincare right now. Along with that, they included bioadaptive amino complex, a blend of essential amino acids that your skin needs. And as a professional, I talk a lot about replacing amino acids, making sure that your skin has them bioavailable, as they are the very building blocks of collagen, elastin, proteins in your skin. They also included tremolo mushroom, which is one from a scientific perspective that's very interesting to me. It's a natural polysaccharide humectant, meaning that it pulls moisture into the skin and holds it there. And some recent studies have even shown that it rivals hyaluronic acid in its capability of pulling moisture into the skin. Of course, it has the ecto, again, reinforcing that environmental protection layer, and ginseng saponins, which are concentrated actives from ginseng that have been shown to improve skin's firmness and radiance over time. So the longer you use it, the better your skin is. What I really want you to notice about this particular product is that it has no vitamin C, no exfoliating acids, and no retinols. It is entirely focused on repair and reinforcement because, again, we're talking about the skin's barrier. So now I'm going to apply this product to my skin. You can see it's gel-like. Takes very little of this to cover the entire face. And by the way, you can use this anywhere on your neck, your upper chest, the backs of your hands, your arms, even though we're demonstrating this on my face today. And of course, there's no fragrance to this product, and you can actually feel a sort of tingling sensation as it absorbs into your skin, beginning to make my skin feel tighter and firmer just from that one application. And then the final step in repairing my skin's barrier with this bioadaptive system is the bioadaptive recovery cream. That's this product right here. This is your occlusive nourishment layer. This is the capping layer. Kind of, we've talked about slugging in the past on the channel, where you cap in moisture and ingredients active so that they stay active longer. This is what is going to cap that moisture into your skin and keep those ingredients active that are in the serum. And of course, as you might expect, the ingredient list in this product is well structured. Squalene leads the charge, one of my all-time favorite moisturizing, hydrating ingredients, because it mimics your skin's own sebum, deeply hydrating and nourishing without being pore clogging, making it really stable as an ingredient, meaning it doesn't oxidize or irritate your skin. And because this is a super hydrating cream, no surprise, they included the tremolo mushroom, Centella asiatica, which is great at calming redness and inflammation in the skin, hydrolyzed collagen, and shea butter round out the other ingredients in this cream, making it super, super rich. Again, fragrance-free like the entire system is, so we're going to apply this to my skin using their handy little spoon that comes with this. Tiny bit of this product out. Going to lightly pat this into my skin. Very soothing. Again, it's so nice that it's fragrance free. And as you can see, my skin nice and plump, rosy, and glass-like. Now, as most of you know, I don't have a lot of skin issues. I've been taking really good care of my skin for a really long time. However, after a month of using this product, this has replaced my own slugging step in my own skincare routine, because the ingredient base is so fantastic. The formulations are clean, they work, all of the ingredients, amazing ingredients when it comes to skin barrier health and repair. So again, as I said, if you're looking for something to up your skincare game and make your other products work better, or you've been dealing and struggling with problems with your own skin barrier, dryness, redness, ultra sensitivity, Ledora's bioadaptive barrier system might be something you want to take a look at. Now, if you enjoyed today's video and in-depth review of Ledora's brand new bioadaptive barrier system, and of course, as always, I would have a link down below in the video description where you can go and learn more about this yourself, see if it might be something that fits well in your skincare routine. Should you decide to use any of their products or this product, please come back to the video and let us all know how they worked for you. And for even more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out this video that I picked out for you next. Thank you as always for watching the videos and supporting my work. I really do appreciate you. That said, stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you right over on that next video. This stuff is amazing.